In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts with iCloud. We'll walk through using iCloud.com to see and manage your address book, and I'll share quick fixes in case things don't appear right away. By the end, your contacts will stay consistent across your devices. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and complete two-factor authentication if prompted. On the homepage, select Contacts. This opens your iCloud address book. If it's your first time here, give it a moment to load. iCloud pulls the latest version of your contacts from Apple's servers. You don't need to install anything, and there's nothing else to turn on in the browser. Just keep this tab open while it syncs. From here, any contact you add, edit, or delete on iCloud.com will automatically sync to other Apple devices signed in with the same Apple ID and with contacts enabled in iCloud settings. Likewise, changes you make on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac will show up here. You'll notice updates propagate in a moment or two. If a device is offline, it will catch up as soon as it reconnects to the internet. If contacts don't sync, here are reliable checks. First, confirm every device and the browser session are using the same Apple ID. Mismatched accounts are the most common cause. Next, make sure Contacts is turned on in iCloud settings on each device. iCloud needs an active internet connection, so verify Wi-Fi or cellular data is working and not restricted by a captive portal or VPN. Still not seeing updates? Toggle Contacts off and back on to refresh the connection. When you do, choose to keep a copy on the device if asked, then turn it back on, wait a minute, and refresh iCloud.com. That's the essence of iCloud Contact Sync. It adds and updates information you create on one device across all others automatically, keeping everything current on iPhone, iPad, Mac, and iCloud.com. Remember that deletions also sync everywhere, so be certain before removing entries. For best results, make changes on one device at a time, give iCloud a moment to process, and avoid editing the same contact on multiple devices simultaneously. With iCloud.com as your always available hub, your address book stays organized and up to date wherever you sign in.